Okay. So in previous video of partnership, they had given us money. Okay, as we can see that they has given us money, and but they are asking about the time. Okay, they had given the shares also. Okay, in this question, what happening? They had given us money. They has given us shares of one person, and they has given us time also. Now they are asking the share of the second person. Okay, so this can we do. We let me do and try to understand something new on it. Okay, so no problem, let me see. So if you see that the first person has given that much money for the business, and the second person had given some more money, that is this one. Okay, this much. Okay, now what they are saying, at the end of 5 years means there the time for both is 5 years. Okay, time has given. So sorry, mm, oh sorry, sorry, yeah, time has given is 5 years. Okay, it means if you want to make their ratios, okay, then you can do easily, like what the ratio should be. The 3030 cancel, 5 5 cancel, only remaining is 40 here. Okay, and 75 is here. So, on the concept of ratio, you have to just you have to just what you have to just in the terms of ratio, you have to just clear about the one thing, that the numbers, by the help of which you divide these numbers and simplify them, is same for both of them. And if you can't find that number, it means the ratio that you want is the only this. Okay, so the further they are also divided by 5 also, so 8 times are. Okay, and I think 15 times are. Okay, okay, this, so I think this is the ratio that we can get. Now what they are saying, at the end of the 5 year, we got the total dividend of 46. Okay, we get total dividend of 46,000, but we get this. Now this, what we get their money, what they are invented, and the time. And after getting their ratios, we clarified that this, if they get the ratio, if they get the money, then this would be their ratio. Okay, so I already mentioned in the previous video that if you add them, okay, their ratio, you get some value, and that you divide, what you get, that you divide with this full, then you get the value of n. It means the number by which you divide these two numbers and get the ratio, get that number when if you add them and divide them by the mean value. Okay, so in this question also they had given that the total they had given the total of shares. It means they get the value of 8. Okay, 8, and then we consider the number ratio, the 15 end. Okay, which is nothing but the 4600 sorry. It means the n value, nothing but sorry, plus, so n value is nothing but 4600 divided by 5, and 3 is 23. Okay, so answer could be, n value could be 200. Okay, this is the answer of n. So now we get, now what they are asked, what is the Rasika shares in the divided. So if we get the value of n, then we have to only put the value of n, and we can get the Rasika, the first one. So 8 into 2000, 8 into 200, sorry, 8 into 200. So 8 into 200 means 16. This is the shares of the second person. So I think you get something about the question, what they are asking. Okay, you got something. Just to be, this ratio only shows the shares of the person. Okay, the ratio shows the shares of it. If you add them, it means the total, when you add them, the number you get is nothing but one of the factor of that number, this number, the total money they get from the business. Okay, okay, and then that n shows that number, because the n and both n are equal, the n shows that number by which you simplify that for the number when you get, and that you multiply with the ratio, then you get the original number. Okay, so this is the whole concept in partnership, and one of the concept also we had somehow we done it. Okay, now we try to understand some more concept. Okay, some with another question. Okay, okay, so if A and B enter into a partnership with partnership, I think the spelling is wrong. Okay, with their capital in a ratio 7:9. At the end of the 8th month, A withdraw his capital if they receive the profit in the ratio 8:9. Find how long B capital was used. Okay, okay. At the end of 8th month, and withdraw his capital. Okay, so this question. Okay, no problem. This question. Okay, this question. Okay, so they had given us the information about this, that the capital in this ratio. Okay, but we don't know about the ratio, but we don't know about the money. We know about the ratio. It could be anything. Okay, the any number which can be multiple of 7 can be their capital. Suppose they given us this ratio. Okay, So it could be 7 into 350, this the capital of first person. Similarly, the capital of second person could be, sorry, could be this. The only rule is that the same number would be multiplied on both the side. It could be like this, what with some another number, sorry, the 456. This could be their what, the capital of first person, and the similar with the second person, like this, anything. So for that, so that we know that they both are multiplied with the same number only, then only their capital should be. So for that only we consider all number as anything like a b c d a b c a b c d, anything, and we consider we donate them with the same alphabet, and then we can say that their capital could be 7 and like 7 9 9 8. Okay, then we can say that because from this example you can understand this. Okay, at the end of 8 month a withdrawal is capital. Okay, so we know about that. So if s a give this much capital and at the end of 8 months, so we multiply it with time also, then only we can get the total work he done for the business, if we multiply time and money. Okay, similarly, okay, withdrawal is capital if they receive the profit in a ratio 9. Okay, find the find how long the capital was used. Okay, so here also some number, so that number we consider as t. Okay, okay, so we see that then the new capital after the time is 8 ratio 9. Okay, it could be this, but we don't know. But we know one thing, we know from the previous examples that this number, okay, when you multiplied it with time, when you simplified it, it is nothing but equal to this number. It is nothing but when you simplify them, it is equal to this number. That's the first number that we know that. Okay, so we can use that thing. Yeah, we can use that thing. What thing we can use, that the 7 into 8 when we divide with the any number. Okay, when we divide it by any number, then it could be equal to this number. Okay, okay, you can understand this thing. Okay, okay, and the second thing, it means it means it means that number could be, we consider this as a and this also as a, then this is there also a, then it means the a value should be 7. Okay, and that 7 can be put here also. Okay, 7 can be put here also. The we take second what second ratio, that which is equal to 9a. Okay, 9a, but we know the value of a, that is nothing but 7. So 9 cancel, t equal to 7. So you can see that the 7 can be the answer. Okay, the 7 month can be the answer. You can verify it also. 7 into 8 what, 7 into 8 what. Okay, the it could be that t could be here, you can see that. So the t value could be 7. With that we can verify also. How? We put the value of t on here. Okay, so if you see that 7 into 8 is what, 6. Yeah, and 9 into 7 what, 9 into 7 what 9 into 7 is a 7 nines are 63. And when you try to simplify this number, you get this ratio back, 8 ratio 7, because the both number is multiple of 7, and when you divided them with 7, so you get this ratio. So that we verified also. Okay, so this is the third concept. You can see that in partnership. Okay, if you not understand, then no problem, ask me anything anytime, comment on a video, I will explain you in a separate video. Okay, so we successfully understand the 2 3 concept of partnership. Okay, in next video we go with some other concept of it, and in that way we can get everything from the partnership.